How would you like to get your own custom-made keto diet meal plan today? With custom keto diet meal plans, you get 60 days worth of meal plans where you choose what your meals will contain. You get to follow recipes and make foods like those playing in the background of this video. And when you sign up today, you will get a free ebook called Deliciously Easy Keto Recipes sent to you with 19 keto recipes and a lot of information about the keto diet. So sign up today and start your journey towards a healthier life now. When you sign up, you go to a page where you choose the kinds of foods your diet will contain, and then a custom-made keto diet meal plan is done just for you.